Hi, Tammy. This is Tony with Groove Web Services. We spoke quickly earlier last week. I mentioned that I wanted to shoot you over a video via email. Took me a little while longer than I thought to get it to you, but here it is. What I wanted to do today was go over a couple of tips on how you guys can improve your online presence in a way that'll actually help you generate some more business via your website. Video is about 7 to 8 minutes long, nothing crazy. I do this for free for small business owners and small businesses. The only thing I ask is that if you find any value in it, just reply to the email and provide me the feedback there. Any feedback would be welcome. So with that, what I want to do is compare your website to a couple of your main competitors and go over some of Google's main ranking factors. So with that, let's head over to Google. I'm going to look up roofing repair Orlando. At the top, we're going to have some paid ads. Google's trying to make its money. We're going to ignore those for now. I want to go over the organic areas. So this is called the map pack. This area is extremely important for small businesses like yourself. About 70% of the searches that come in through these kind of keywords are going to call or click one of these three. They're just going to assume the top three are going to be the best roofers in town. And they're going to, call them. So you want to be here. We know that the fact that these are the three up top doesn't mean they're the best roofers. What it means is they've figured out how to get there. One of the main ways to get yourself here is through something called citations. Citations are just your company name, address, phone number, and website out on directory sites around the web. These are sites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Thumbtack, things like that. There's about 400 of these things around. You can Google citation websites and you'll get a list a mile long. Add your company to about 10 to 20 of those per week for a while, and over time your Google listing will start ranking higher. Just make sure you're consistent with the way you're entering the data across the sites. The area below the map pack is called the organic results. These are more affected by backlinks than citations. What a backlink is your website URL in a clickable format out on another website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to get backlinks from trusted websites, and if at all possible, from niche relevant websites. In your case, that might be like a home improvement website or maybe a home improvement blog. You could even provide an article to a blogger, a home improvement blogger, and oftentimes they'll trade you a link to your website, a backlink for the content, because they want to keep their blog active and they can't write 24/7, so you're doing them a favor as well. So that's citations, that's backlinks. The last thing I want to go over is content. So I'm actually going to open up the first two actual roofers in this search. So Janny and Goldkey. Excuse me. Content is just the words and images on your homepage here. We suggest having 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Google really values well-written, authoritative content. It wants to provide its end users, the people doing the searching, with the best experience possible. And the way that they are going to calculate that experience value is going to be related to the content on your site. So you might have 100 words or so. The other thing with having that much content is you can get those keywords onto your website that people in your area are searching for. And right now I'm not seeing a whole heck of a lot of keywords on your site, so you're not going to be found as many times as you might want to be. Gold Key Roofing, let's do a quick search here. So here, Orlando's best roofing company. That's a key phrase that might help them out. It's a bit of content there. This is horrible, I can barely see it. Some videos, testimonials, and that's about it. So these guys wouldn't be that hard to beat. And then Janny, if you look here, this is actually a back page that's they're being found for. Here's an example of a keyword: Orlando roofer, Orlando roofing services, some reviews, and then we're at the bottom. So for this page, I think they've got the most content out of the three of you, but still not a lot, so it wouldn't be that hard to beat. So let's actually pull the Janny Roofing URL and put it over here into Ahrefs. This program does its best to try to estimate what Google knows about a company, or about a website, I should say, not about a company. So Janny Roofing, they have on their homepage, they have about 1,300 backlinks, over 384 websites. They're being found for about 1,900 keywords. That's getting them 1,100 clicks according to this site, according to this tool. If we actually look at the exact URL, the keywords being found there, we should see some Orlando specific keywords. So roofing Orlando, 200 searches a month. They're in position 2. This has got to be a bug because position 2 is only going to get about 20% of the clicks. So this should only be 40 up here. Roofing repair Orlando, that's what I searched. 250 searches a month. They're in position 3. It says they're getting 37 clicks for that. That seems about right. These are all buyer intent keywords, meaning when somebody searches these, they're looking for a roofer. They don't know what roofer they want yet. So if you're in those top 3, chances are you're going to get called. So these are the type of keywords you want to be found for. If we aggregate all this up, these guys are probably being found for about 200 clicks, or being clicked about 200 times for these kind of keywords. That is going to get them what? Say they close 10%. That'll get them 20 new roofs a month. Free traffic. Not bad at all, I don't think anyway. Let's see what you guys are getting here. 743 backlinks from 43 websites, 68 keywords, and it says you're getting a single click per month. Roofing contractor Orlando, Florida. So this is a good one. Only 50 searches a month though, but not bad. You're on the bottom of page 1. Roof repair Orlando FL, 200 searches. You're on page 3. So on and so forth. You're going to be on page 2 and 3 for a lot of these. Good thing is you're actually being found for these, so that's positive. Your content actually does have some keywords in it. I just didn't spot them. But like the big one here, 250, you're on page 4. So your backlink profile needs work. I would still add more content to your homepage if I had my choice, and then go after some strong niche relevant backlinks to help push you up. And get those 20 roofs for yourselves. The actual difficulty for these keywords is not very high according to my tool, so it's doable. So that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully that was useful. And again, if you did find it, the information useful, a reply to the email with some feedback would be beautiful. I would appreciate it. Hopefully, though, I gave you some tools to help you help yourself. Obviously, this is what I do for a living, so if it isn't something you want to do on your own, but you are interested in ranking your site, give me a call or shoot me a reply to the email. Let me know. Maybe we can meet up and talk. With that, I will let you go. Thank you very much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.